In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mirrors in Monday.com for scale and efficiency. If you're looking to streamline your project management processes and enhance productivity, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Monday.com, open up your preferred web browser and type in the Monday.com URL. Once there, look to the upper right corner of the page where you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. This will take you to the login page. Now you'll be presented with options to sign in. You can either choose to sign in with Google or enter the email address you'll be using. If you prefer to use Google, click on that option and then select the email address linked to your Monday.com account from the list presented. This is a quick and easy way to ensure you're logged in securely and efficiently. With access to your account, you're now ready to navigate to the board you wish to work with. Once you've accessed your desired board, direct your attention to the last column on that board. Here you'll see a plus sign button. Clicking this allows you to add a new column. For our purposes, choose to add a Connect Boards column. This special column is designed to link items across different boards, establishing a two-way connection, which is ideal for collaborative and cross-functional team projects. Once the Connect Boards column is added, you'll see an option to Select Boards. Click on this and carefully choose the boards you want to connect. It's important to ensure that there is a clear relationship between these boards, as this will enable easier management and visibility for all your project items. After selecting the boards you wish to connect, hit the Connect Boards button. This connects the selected boards and prepares you to create a mirror column. With the boards connected, the next step is to click on Create a Mirror Column. Doing so, you're essentially setting up a reflection of data between the boards. Finally, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select which specific column you want to mirror from the other board. This mirrored column will update automatically, showing the same information as the original, ensuring consistency and saving you from having to manually update information on multiple boards. And there you have it, your mirrored column is now in place. This powerful feature in Monday.com allows you to maintain consistency and view related information from different boards all in one place. This method can significantly bump up your team's efficiency by reducing redundancy and enhancing clarity across projects. Thanks for joining me today and happy organizing.